I was recently gifted this C-shaped side table that is height adjustable, fully tiltable, and also on a 360-degree swivel. So let me show you how I use this. It's someplace that I put my laptop on, put a cup of coffee, put a book. You can put it in any room in the house, and because it's height adjustable, many people can use it. So here's how easy it is. Very easy to have it right here. I do have my iPad or my laptop. I like to lie down a little bit. And what's so nice about this, with this baffle and the tilt and the ability to adjust the height so easily, you can put it pretty much anywhere you want. It goes right under the couch or the chair, swivel it around. You can keep it flat. I, though, however, like to put my laptop or iPad on top of it, and so that it doesn't slide off, I tilt it, and look how easy that is to be able to use it without it sliding off at all. And then you can adjust it however you want. I'm being able to slide it under. And again, adjust as you please with the height adjustment, the tilt, 360 degrees swivel. Very, very easy to use. Also then, when I'm done with this, easy to be able to say, you know what, I'd like to do something a little bit different. Have it flat, read a book, cup of coffee. Easy, flat, stable, sturdy. So if you're looking for something that is height adjustable and has a 360 degree swivel, as well as being able to have a C shape that you can put under pieces of furniture, use anywhere, I would highly recommend this. For installation, everything comes in the box, very easy. This is everything. You've got you've got an Allen wrench, you've got all the screws you need, so you don't need to get anything else. It also comes with some very easy to follow instructions. One person can put this together very quickly without an issue. And you can see as I put it together right now.